Saurabh Bhagat. I'm Secretary CAPT and Controller Legal Metrology in JNK. But on the specific topic today regarding to make cities safe utilizing technology, I would like to share my experience when I was Transport Commissioner of JNK. For 2 years I've served, and we do a part of the significant part of the work of the Transport Commissioner is the safety. In that, especially the safety for women. After the Nirbhay case, a lot of technology is being utilized. The government has made it mandatory that every vehicle, which is a passenger vehicle which carries female passengers, it has to have CCTV surveillance. And no vehicle can be registered by the Transport Commissioner or the RTOs at various levels unless the CCTV footage, the provision of CCTV is there. In addition to this, all the other provisions of CCTNS are being implemented in JNK. In JNK, we have a typical problem, serious problems pertaining to militancy. So there's a very high level of surveillance. We have CCTNS labs, 2 hyper safety labs, where the entire mobile telecommunication is not only tapped, but it is sniffed also for certain sensitive words, if there is any communication. Another aspect that I would like to talk on is my immediate department. We in India, we have the largest public distribution system. So everything from kerosene to LPG to food grains, we pump this entire thing into the system. And the system is far from efficient. And to make it efficient, various means are being employed. A smart city has to have a very smart, efficient system. Again, the movement of food grains from the Food Corporation of India and the movement downwards all the way through various city stores to the last PDS shop, that all requires a lot of technology. GPS systems for that technology. Even there's a lot of pilferage at our store levels. To control that pilferage, we are utilizing various kind of surveillance. And ultimately, finally, Aadhaar card based distribution system is worked out so that entire pilferage is taken care of. So these are some of the measures that would make our cities smarter. Also, it is important that we have a lot of state utilities which give us a very large component of transportation. Our grains, when they move across the state, the cost of the grain is 1/5 the cost of transportation. So the cost of transportation is very high. And the state utilities like the state road transport corporations, when they provide us the various vehicles, the path that they utilize to transport, that is also very inefficient. So for that also, their tracking system, to utilize GPS-based system, that is also being considered at the state level. So technology definitely will make our cities much smarter. I again feel, as Khalsi sir has mentioned, that it's an organic concept, the smart city concept. It's evolving, and more variables will keep joining it. And safety is a very, very significant. Our cities are much bigger than the European cities or any other cities across the country. The extent of population, commuter population, their surveillance is also very important. Almost 10 lakh people visit Delhi every day and leave Delhi. So it's a huge issue from the law and order authorities. Similarly, in states like JNK, we have some unique kind of features, like we have Vaishno Devi Yatra. So we have 1,10,20,000 people visiting, 1 crore 20 lakh people visiting the Yatra in a year. So tracking of people, who gets in, who gets out of the state. So all that technology is being utilized. They're smart. The movement of vehicle, the passenger taxes, they are also being made in a smart way. Chip-based systems where the vehicle does not even have to stop, and the taxes are charged. The registration for the Amarnath Yatra. So technology is being added at every level, and especially policing is becoming more and more sophisticated. And especially in a state like JNK, the kind of measures that we are deploying, not all can be mentioned at this kind of forum, but very high level of sniffing and cyber security is being utilized. So now I would hand on the mic to my colleague in the state and Secretary Information Technology, Mr. Hirdesh Kumar.